Hello guys, welcome to my channel Create Knowledge. Today in this video I will tell you how to install Eclipse IDE in your system. So first you have to open Google Chrome browser and write here Eclipse download. This is the official website of Eclipse org. Click here and you see here install IDE for desktop download 64-bit, because here I am going to use my system is 64 bits, so I will click here and again download. Now see it is downloading in my download folder. Download is completed. Now I am going to minimize this and go to my download folder. This is Eclipse Instant GRE Win64. Double click here. Now it is installing. Now I am minimizing this window. So now here option is Eclipse IDE for Java developer, Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developer. Here I will go for Eclipse IDE for enterprise and web developer. Click here. Here my JDK version is JDK 20 and Eclipse IDE is 2023-12. Create shortcut menu, okay. Create desktop shortcut, okay. Then install. And then you have to accept the license agreement. Accept. Now it is installing. This is the latest version of Eclipse IDE 2023-12. 12 is December. This month is also December. Now installation successful. Now I am going to click on launch. Click. Here you see Eclipse IDE 2023-12. Here workspace, let it to default. I am not going to change it. Workspace is C drive. Okay. Okay, now this is my welcome page. I have not required this welcome page. Okay, now first I have to put the server. So click on server because I am not having any server. You see no server available. Click to create new server. Apache. I am going to Apache Tomcat 10. Then next. And here you write download and install. Okay. Accept the license agreement. I am going to install the server Apache Tomcat 10.0. Now select folder. Now Tomcat. Okay. And then finish. Now you see server is Tomcat 10, Tomcat version 10.0. I have installed in my system. Okay, this is port number is 8080. Okay, fine. Now I am going to close this window. Now I am going to make a simple Java program. File, new. Here you write other. You write Java project and finish. Demo, the demo Java, and then finish. It is asking for open perspective. No, I have not required this module info Java. I am going to delete it. In SRC here I will make a class file. For Java you have required a class file. Here I am giving the name. You can put the package name as you like. Now I am giving the package name com.gopal and class name I am giving demo, and I have required the main method, that is public static void main string args, click and then finish. You see here public class demo is file is created, but this appearance is very small. Now I am going to change the font. Preference, you write here font, color and font, basic, add text font, edit. Here is font size is 10. Now I am going to change it is 18, 16. I am select 16, then OK, then apply and close. You see font size has been increased. I have put it here. Now this line is not required. Just I am delete it. Here I am going to write a comment to take printout. So I have to write system dot out dot print ln first bracket semi here, and they put here semicolon, and inside this inverted bracket comma you write hello world. Okay, now I am going to save it. And right click here, run as Java application. You see the output is hello world. That means I have successfully installed Eclipse IDE in my system, and I am just giving a small demo hello world, how to write the hello world by using Java that I have shown you. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. In my next video, I am going to start core Java program for the beginner. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot. Thanks.